One of the things that MAI and Modi Group are endeavoring to bring kind of education which is of global standard and which enable its students to become entrepreneuric and enable them to think out of box, to be innovative. I think that's a big difference. It is a very different from the system that is generally seen in Indian universities and colleges. And this is primarily because we have seen the students going out, large number of students from India are going out to Western world to get their training, and we have seen those very Indian students, those who have done engineering and management courses from India, once they go out in those countries and do some work over there or get some training over there, they become today the global CEOs of the largest corporation of the world. So why can't our students that kind of education, because that works out very expensive, very few people can afford that. And why can't the similar kind of education and opportunity we can provide them in India? I think that's the vision that Mr. Modi has. And with that aim, we have earlier MAI collaborated with the University of Phoenix, but because of their some internal problems, they disengaged with ourselves, and now we have tied up with the Stratford University, and that is a very upcoming university based in Washington. They have got number of campuses in USA already. That is a highly accredited agency. Programs they have university, and the similar accreditation by same agencies, our facilities, programs and institutions are being accredited by similar US agencies. So we are very confident, and large number of students today, more than 50% of students are coming from overseas, because they find the similar quality of education as being given in US, they can get it in India, in the neighborhood of their countries, and I mean they gain the skill at much lower cost. And large number of, we are seeing the family, from the families, business families in India, they are sending their children over here to make them a good business person, to make them a good entrepreneur, make them to think out of box. So that is the kind of, I think we are very proud of it, and we want to scale up. Unfortunately, there are some handicaps with the regulatory environment, and we are working with them. Hopefully, as the things changing, people have started, even regulators and government have started thinking differently to make India globally competitive. So I guess you will be the right fit over here. Most of our employees here are educated in Indian universities and colleges and institutions, and certainly they are, we have hired them, we have internally trained them. Now we have to again develop them to compete with the rest of the world, because each of our company now engaged in large, they have a vision to be a global Indian company, and they are already in large, practically in every continent of the one or the other businesses are there in one or the other continent. We have technical and financial collaboration with the world's of the best corporations in the world, and so we have to develop our own people, impart them training. And what we have found last few years, we have been, they are doing some programs at our sites in the factories and offices, and some programs our students are coming to the institution, and we have found, and recently a study was rather as much as yesterday itself, they presented that without any prompting or anything and disclosure, 70% of the students which got some training in different fields maybe selling skill, maybe communication skills, they got promoted because their performance, they excelled over anybody else. I think that's the sign of the kind of education and quality of education our students, and naturally that helps the company to grow faster and be competitive, more competitive, and be more profitable. The retail outlet is one kind of business. We have number of factories, we have number of export businesses. We are opened ourselves into number of Latin and European markets. So we need good salesmen, we need good strategists, we need good financial experts, we need salesmen. Because we are going now a retail chain, we are hoping that in the next 5 years we may have 500 retail outlets, our own like 7-Eleven and convenience stores. So we need a large number of staff to back them, and I think this will be a good grounding place for them to develop those selling skills and communication skills.